Are you nourishing your body with the right kind of foods, or is your current diet leaving you feeling sluggish, bloated, and far from your best? If so, consider a refreshing change of pace, a culinary journey that spans the sun-soaked coasts of southern Europe. Welcome to the world of the Mediterranean diet. It's no secret the Mediterranean diet has taken the world by storm. Inspired by the traditional eating habits of southern European countries such as Spain, France, Italy, Greece, and Portugal, this diet has been recommended by doctors worldwide for its myriad of health benefits. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this diet? Well, it's more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle. A lifestyle that has been proven to reduce the risk of various diseases like obesity, diabetes, cancer, and other cardiovascular diseases. That's right, the residents of the Mediterranean region don't just enjoy the beautiful scenery, they also enjoy a longer and healthier life. The world finds itself in the grip of an obesity epidemic. More than 2/3 of Americans are classified as overweight. This crisis isn't confined to the United States. Over 1.9 billion adults across the globe are overweight. The culprit, a diet high in calories, sourced from fast food, sodas, and sugary desserts. The Mediterranean diet offers a delicious and sustainable solution. Unlike fad diets that promise rapid weight loss only to leave you feeling deprived, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes balance and variety. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, plays a crucial role. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and provide a dose of antioxidants. And the best part, the Mediterranean diet is not just healthy, it's also delightful to the palate. From a hearty breakfast of Greek yogurt with honey and fresh berries, to a satisfying lunch of grilled fish with a side of quinoa salad, to a dinner of hearty vegetable stew, the Mediterranean diet is full of flavor. And let's not forget the snacks. A handful of almonds or a piece of fresh fruit can keep those hunger pangs at bay. So, to recap, the Mediterranean diet is more than a diet. It's a lifestyle that promotes good health, longevity, and enjoyment of delicious, wholesome food. It's a diet that's been embraced by the sun-kissed people of the Mediterranean for thousands of years. And it's a diet that could very well change your life. Give the Mediterranean diet a try, your body will thank you for it, and who knows, you might just discover that the Mediterranean lifestyle is the perfect fit for you. After all, good health is the best wealth.